Where are you from?
Germany.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Ah, yeah. How old are you?
What do you think about my age?
Uh, mm, maybe 27?
Just go up one more time.
29?
I'm 31.
Oh,
Now, do I look like
nice.
31?
Yeah. You look like, yeah. I mean, I would have thought like in between 27 and 33. All of that makes sense.
Wow. How about your age?
No, I'm 23 and he's 17.
23 and 17. Oh my god. Probably you are joking.
How old?
Um, I feel like your age is almost same.
No.
No, not.
No. I'm 23.
Yeah, it's okay.
And
It's okay. I got you. What do you call these in your country?
Basa.
But we call it in our country, panir bottle. Panir bottle.
Panier bottle.
Yeah.
So mix between your language and English?
My past language is Bangla, but it's a mixed language. Arabic, Bengali, English, and some Portuguese. And combining them, our language is consistent.
Hmm.
Okay.
I don't know.
I'm planning to go Germany in the next year. So, which city do you recommend me to explore?
Which city?
Hmm.
Dresden.
Dresden. Oh, okay, cool. Do you live in this city or other city?
No, but I've been there and in my opinion, it's the most beautiful city.
Okay, but finally, if you just give me your perspective, what do you think about Palestine?
Uh, we are pro-Palestine.
Pre Palestine, thank you. I'm so happy.
Hey, what's going on?
Going good. How about you?
I'm going good.
Hmm.
Where are you from?
Originally, I'm from Bangladesh.
From what?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Yeah,
Where's that?
it's a South Asian country
In Asia?
in Asia. Yeah, South Asia.
Oh, I can tell. So you're originally from there? What do you mean? Like, are you not there anymore?
Yeah, originally I'm from Bangladesh.
Yep. So where are you now?
Right now I'm in United States of America for visiting, but I'm not gonna really say the specific location.
Well, I'm in Michigan.
You're from Michigan?
I am.
Oh, how far from Florida?
Oh, that's like a 15, 16 hour drive.
16-hour drive by car?
Yep.
Mm, I think it's not too far away, isn't it?
Not too far away.
Yeah, from Florida to
You
Michigan.
you want me to drive 16 hours?
If you want me to go to your city for exploring, so I can go there.
You're telling me you want me to come all the way there and pick you up and drive you all the way back?
No, not really. I will really drive. I mean, I will hire a car here from the Florida.
You will hire a car there?
Yeah, and then I will really drive to you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, come to Michigan.
Oh,
Hello,
hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good, and I find something in Americans, and that is so much integrity remaining in you.
Oh, that's nice.
How old are you, by the way?
20. How old are you?
What do you think about my age?
I don't know. How old are you?
So, I think you might run away if you get my age. I'm sorry.
Tell me.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we like our men older.
Really?
Yeah.
What kind of interest you find in older men?
They have more money.
Absolutely, I do have. Yeah,
He said, "What do I like in older men?" And I said, "They have more money."
she also thinks same.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, not too bad actually. I'm a good businessman, and if I find any opportunity, and then I try to go to the different country for visiting, for exploring.
Oh, that's cool. So what do you do?
Originally, I'm a real estate businessman.
Oh, that's cool. Do you like it?
Absolutely, I find too much interest right here.
Oh, gotcha. So what brings you on Omi TV?
You know, if anybody goes to the different country, the language, which is one of the most barriers. So I need to improve my English speaking skills more and more. This app can really
Oh.
help me a lot.
Oh, that makes sense.